Hey, what's up guys? I am RileyChaseFox, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 7 different tips you need to know when you're getting into voice acting. Let's get started. Alright, so number 1. Is this something that you love? Voice acting requires a lot of dedication and a lot of commitment. You're not going to break into it within the first day, the first week, the first month, or even the first year. Sometimes actors don't even start breaking into this until 10 years, maybe even 5 years, and that's the earliest. So if you really want to get into this industry, you really got to start to get to work. I don't care who you are, where you came from. If you don't have a love for this, you're gonna quit. If you truly want to be a voice actor, it doesn't matter how long it takes you, what you have to do, and where you have to go. You'll find a way to make it work. Your love for voice acting comes before any and everything. You have to love this. You have to. That's the truth. Number 2, read. Read as much as you possibly can, because as a voice actor, you're always reading out loud. You're reading the dialogues, you're reading the scripts, and you're gonna do a lot of this when you're in the booth recording. It's important to get familiar with how your voice sounds. The way you hear your voice is different from the way that someone else hears your voice, and it's definitely gonna sound different when you record it. So you really need to start getting familiar talking out loud. When you're in the shower, I don't know, read a shampoo bottle, read a conditioner bottle out loud. When you're reading a book, don't just read it in your mind, read it out loud. But don't be annoying, but just read out loud. Get a recorder and read a newspaper while you're recording your voice, and then play it back. Listen to how you sound. The way you read in your mind is completely different from how you read out loud. This is gonna help because you need to have a flow of speech when you're recording lines, and that is gonna help tremendously. Not only are you gonna be thankful to yourself, but the engineers and the directors and the producers are going to thank you a lot as well. So if you're wondering, okay, well, how can I record myself and hear it? Well, number 1, everyone has a phone. It's 2020. Every phone should have some kind of voice recorder or a voice memo on it. Number 3, a showreel. You're gonna have to show off what you can do, and a showreel is a demo. Now you're gonna have about 3 to 4 different demos that you really wanna showcase. Your promo demo, commercial demo, animation video game demo, and then a narration demo. Generally, what these demos are gonna do is gonna showcase to whoever you're looking to hire you, a potential client, it's gonna show them what you're best at. Now, your demos should be no longer than a minute. When you're sending these demos in, if you're doing the old-fashioned way, you gotta remember, these clients, agents, directors, producers, agencies, they are listening to thousands of different demos every single day. Why are they gonna wanna sit and listen to a 2-minute, 3-minute demo for each and every person? Keep it short, keep it simple, keep it sweet. You ever heard of KISS? Keep it simple, stupid? Okay, so your demos need to be about 30 seconds to a minute long, showing your best. Now, you always want to put your best first, don't put it last, because when they are listening to the demos, the first 5 seconds are very, very crucial. You want to catch their attention, so you really got to give your best work first. So like I said, back in the day, you had to send your demos in. Now today with technology, internet, websites, you can put your demos on there, but you still want to send it into an agency if you want to. But if you have a website, put your demos on there, showcase yourself. And this is gonna lead me into the 4th tip, promote. Like I've said before, we live in 2020 and technology has advanced and skyrocketed through the roof. So let's take advantage of it. Use it to your advantage. So many people have been discovered through online websites, social media accounts. YouTube has made millions of people's dreams come true. Why can't you be the next one? Why can't you do it as well? Take advantage, do it now, start now. Promote yourself. Create a Twitter, an Instagram, a YouTube account. Start uploading videos. Start uploading your work. Showcase it, promote it, share it with your friends, your family. Show it with the rest of the world. No one is stopping you but yourself. You're the only one that is keeping you from making your dreams come true. By doing this, you can post your voice. Get your voice out there. Get yourself noticed. Number 5, coaching. Whether you think you do or you don't, you need a coach. You need a vocal director. You need a teacher, someone to help push you in the right direction, because you might not see something that they do. They might see a talent that you're not seeing. You don't know everything. You're always gonna learn something new every single day. I know a lot of professional voice actors that tell me they take a voice acting class or an acting class every single week. Some of them actually do it every single day. Professional voice actors that you look up to are still taking vocal classes, even though they're 10, 15, 20 years into this industry, into this business. They still take these classes because the classes help them in their strengths and also helps them be better at their weaknesses. Even taking some singing classes can help perform in your range of sounding higher or sounding lower. Take advantage of this, okay? You're not gonna regret it, and it's gonna help out in the long run. Number 6, vocal health. You need to take care of your vocal health. We're not asking you, we're telling you. Number 1, smoking is not good for your health. So not only is it not good for your general health, it's definitely not good for your vocal health. What this does is it starts to dry out your mouth, dry out your throat, and it hinders you from reaching your vocal ranges. I've seen so many professionals throw away their career because they're a heavy smoker. Now, you're gonna also wanna limit the amount of alcohol that you drink, because what that does is it starts to mess up with the mucous membranes that line up with your throat. So what that does is that actually starts to affect your pharynx, which is your throat, and then it affects the larynx, which is the vocal box. And this can dry out the voice. Now, if you still wanna go out for a drink, go ahead. I'm not stopping you. I would still tell you not to, but it's still totally up to you. And finally, last but not least, number 7, work hard and don't give up. There is going to be a lot of times where you're gonna wanna quit. You're gonna wanna throw in the towel. You're not gonna wanna do this anymore. I know a lot of actors that have said they have thought that way, they have felt that way, and some of them actually did quit, but because they realized that they loved this so much, they got back into it. Like I was telling you in the beginning, this has to be something that you love. When you love something, when you have a passion for it, when you know that this is what you wanna do with your life, when you know that this is your purpose, nothing will stop you, nothing will get in your way. Keep pursuing, keep being persistent, okay? These things are gonna play an important part. You pay attention to any of your favorite celebrities, musicians, actors, athletes, whatever it is or whoever they are, they will always tell you do not give up, because it is 100% true. Find yourself a good support system. Find yourself and surround yourself with positive people, smart people, educated people, people that are gonna tell you what you need to hear rather than what you wanna hear. Listen to criticism. Develop a thick and tough skin. People are gonna tell you that you suck, you're worthless, you're not going anywhere. Who cares? Who cares? Do not be sensitive. Do not cry when someone tells you that you are a terrible, horrible actor. You cannot have a vocal range. You can only do one type of character. Who cares what they say? Do not care what they say, because they're gonna say it anyways, and if you start crying, then you gave up. Don't be sensitive. Don't be a crybaby. Work hard. Start now. Surround yourself with positive people, people that love you and care about you. Look up to somebody. Find yourself a mentor, a teacher, someone that is really, really going to help you. Those things are very, very important to have. Don't be a loner. Don't be alone. Don't be that person that says, you know what, when I become rich and famous and successful, forget all these people. No, do not think that way. You're not gonna want that kind of lifestyle. Be persistent, pursue your dreams, pursue your goals, but don't forget about the little things. Don't forget about your family, your friends, people who love you and that you love as well. So if you guys like this video and you guys like voice acting, then you're definitely gonna want to subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. I'm not forcing you, but that really helps me out. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I don't know why you do, but you do, and for that I am very appreciative. And I will see you later.